Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this glueless look with this 12-inch Sunber bob. Here's how it came packaged. Open that up for you guys. Inside, it's just the wig inside of a plastic bag. Yes, I always love how their wigs come packaged. They have the eyelashes in there. Of course, I always tell you ladies, do not sleep on the lashes because you can use them for everyday lashes and save your good ones. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up the pack. Here is the wig. Yes, and I can already tell it feels silky smooth. I'm loving its natural luster. Show you guys a quick look at the inside of the cap and that it is slightly pre-plucked, so you really don't have to do any work to it. Yeah, because it's pre-plucked. Okay, here's the inside of the cap. It is a 13x4 and it does have 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and as well as the adjustable strap. And you do have to cut that little flap of lace off in the back. I hate when my wigs have that lace, but for some ladies, I know it comes in handy. So now I'm just showing you guys again that it is pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything to it. And you might want to do a little customization to it, but I didn't really do anything. I did pluck the middle part just so it can be more defined. And I did add some of my MAC foundation powder on there, the same one I use on most of my wigs. Just going to add a little bit. Don't really want to overdo it. And that step is optional. Of course, you want to put on a wig cap. And I didn't glue down my wig. It's a glueless install, but I did want to spray my cap a little bit so it didn't want to slide. You want to make sure the combs are secure back, right, and you want to make sure that left comb is secure as well to make sure it's not going to fall off. Usually I don't do glueless installs. I wanted to show you ladies that you can definitely get the same look without gluing it down. Some people don't like to sleep in their wigs and it has more longevity when you take them off at the end of the day. So I'm loving it. Don't really like the wave that's in there. It's a straight wig, but it was waved in the bag, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it using my Garnier Fructis. I think it's like a light shine spray. I think it's about $3 at Walmart. Just going to run over that real quick with the flat iron. Now, I love this wig. It is 130% density. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. It is pre-plucked. It does have baby hairs. It is 12 inches, and I'm going to serve you guys this glueless install. Now, Sunber is an Amazon company, so if you have Prime, you'll get your hair in a few days. So make sure you check out Sunber. I do have a few reviews for them here on my channel. If you guys like my lipstick, I do believe that that is Heroin or either Candy Yum Yum from MAC. I think Heroin. I'll post it down below in the description just in case some of you ladies want to know. Now there's a few flyaways. I just have a wax stick. I'm gonna put a little bit of that at the top just to hold down the flyaways, and then I'm going to go over that a little bit with some got to be spray, just a little bit, enough to hold down the frizzies, and I'm going to brush that out with my toothbrush. My nephew thinks it's so funny when he sees me doing hair with a toothbrush. But yeah, I'm serving this look, ladies. Make sure you guys check out Sunber. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe now. Thumbs up if you think that this is cute. So here is the front view. Yes, here is the left view. Here's how it looks from the right. Giving you guys that body yaddy, showing you it's moving from the back.